Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Just want to give an update on the Mr. Hua 200 watt cob light. Alright, so it's been about 2 months since I started this, and I've got a time lapse I'll show you at the end of this video. I added this lemon starburst. It's a king star cross after I started the time lapse, and it's actually doing really well. Let me switch this off for just a second so you can kind of see how these look naturally. So this is the King Star Lemon Starburst in a double cup. And this is one that I had started outdoors and brought it in. Normally I don't bring stuff in that's been outside, but treated it for stuff and haven't had any problems with it. It's got some blooms on it. That looks good. And these two are in a 5-gallon wicking system. Well, there's a wick. You can see down in there. It's actually drunk some of that up. So there was an adjustment period on these because they came from both of these were in a small cracky setup. And I pruned them back pretty severely. And all of this, most of this is all new growth. There's a couple not so great leaves on here, but for the most part, I think these look pretty good. These are a little yellow, but they're getting really close to the light. So I need to probably prune this back, but it has some blooms. I think both of them do, actually. Yeah, so yeah, they and this is just a chili plant someone gave me. It was in really bad shape when I got it, and honestly I haven't done anything to it. One of these was already dead. I pruned all the pods off and it really needs to be transplanted. This has been catching some very indirect distant light, and it's kind of in like overwinter mode. So I could probably, plant it out when it warms up. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, these are the ones that are getting the light more closely. Doing very well. They made a really nice comeback from shape they were in to begin with. They were probably putting out some, if there's any roots coming out. You can kind of see some roots coming out of the bottom. So that's all new from when it was started. So this was just kind of an impromptu thing I threw together. Like I said, forget wicking system, feeding out of the 5-gallon bucket. It seems to work very well. I may change it up. I'll probably keep it going like this until plant out time. Like I say, I'll probably do some pruning, snip this back a little bit. You kind of get it a little closer in height and maybe adjust the height of the light. But the lights themselves seem to still look fine. It's been running, I just switched it off and it's not hot at all, at least on top. So it looks like it cools very well the way it's designed. So yeah, that's my update on the Mr. Hua 200 watt cob grow light. Considering the circumstances of the transition period and the roots having to adapt from one growing system to another, I think it did very well. And also kind of an experimental setup that I made. So I think all that considered, I think the grow light did very well. So yeah, let me show you this time lapse, and hope you like it. I hope you like this video, found it useful. Please subscribe if you did, and like if you did. And anyway, thank you very much for watching.